What's up, Danny Hayasaka with Call One and Hello Direct, helping people do their business better. And we're standing in front of the Logitech booth with Andrew Mair, and he's going to share with us some cool technology that they have here at Infocomm 2023. Take it away, Andrew.
So this is the Rally Bar Huddle. It's a brand new bar in our Rally Bar series. So we have the Rally Bar Mini and the Rally Bar already. This kind of fits its own little niche. There's a few things about it. First of all, we updated some features on this one compared to the other ones. Like, we have a lens cap that is automatic. So when I join a call, you'll notice the lens cap just automatically opens up when we start the video. Come on, start the video. There it goes. It automatically opens up, and when we stop the video, if I turn the video off, it'll close the lens cap automatically. I don't have to worry about losing it or finding it or worried about that. All the lens is there. The other nice thing about this is we have swappable covers. So the standard one is still the classic look of the Rally Bar with the cloth look, but we know that we need to have cleanable surfaces nowadays, and in many environments that's what we need. So we have the ability to swap them out. So this is made by Heckler. They give you the customized ones. Logitech has one. It's just not as cool and it doesn't have as printed on it, but Heckler has done that, and so we can swap those out for those different situations. The Rally Bar has a camera that's purpose-built for small rooms. It's got a 4K camera sensor. It's a static camera that it does digital pan, tilt, and zoom, and it's doing group framing right now. So you're actually seeing how it frames in different groups. This is a different multiple scenarios. So this is kind of the experience you'd see where as people move around, it's actually going to frame them in the shot, and it'll also do grid view as well. So this is actually pulling individual people out and actually framing them in their own square. Yeah, so the Logi Dock Flex, the way I like to describe it, if our scheduling panel and our classic Logi Dock had a baby, it would be called the Logi Dock Flex. Well, essentially it's a docking station with a scheduling panel built in. This is for those hybrid working scenarios where, hey, I've got to come into the office, I only come in 2 or 3 days a week, I need a space when I get in there, I need to be able to book my time, and I book my time through many different ways. In the future, it's going to be able to be booked through Teams and Zoom panels, but right now you can just use the free Logi Dock service that connects to the Room Resources account, and I book that through my Tune app, which is the Logi Dock free software. I book that with my Logi Tune app, and then when I come in, it'll have my name. It'll say, "Hey, it's available," and I can even check in right there, plug my dock in, and it'll all light up. It'll be my device for that day. When I'm done with it, I can unplug it. If my policy's required, I can wipe everything down so someone else can come in and use it. I leave it, and now it's available for someone else to book the next day or half day or whatever we need. That's the Logi Dock Flex. It is manageable through our Sync platform and can work with all of our enterprise-grade webcams, mice, keyboards, and the like. So everything will be here at the office, and then I can go home, and everything will be at home. I don't have to bring in between. It even powers my laptop, so I don't have to haul that power brick in with me. I can just come in the office, plug in, powers my laptop, do my work, and head home when I'm done. So this focus room kit is built by a company called Framery. Framery, and you can show the code there, you can get that later. But the Framery has built this kit so that if you have a noisy environment and you need privacy or to quiet for some reason, maybe it's for studying, maybe it's for a clinical scenario with healthcare, maybe it's for something else, you need a space to be able to go in and do a video call while there's a noisy environment going out. Maybe it's in a reception area where you want to be able to go in and have a quick meeting. And when you go in here, it's completely soundproof. So as we go, we'll show these in a second, but as we go in this booth, now the other cool thing is it's got sensors in here. So as I step in, the lights will turn on. I even have a video mode that I can turn on. So if I want to take a video call, it changes the lighting to focus the lighting directly on me as opposed to everything else. But when I want to go back to working, I need light everywhere, so it automatically adjusts to the light to be in everywhere. I can put my full Logi Dock with webcams, and I can use the Logi Dock Flex if I want to. So this could be a scheduling space if I want to choose it to. I can then have my whole personal focus workspace. I've got a Brio camera, I've got our MX Mini right here, and a laptop. I can have a full range of enterprise grade equipment in here and have it available for the next person, all wipeable and cleanable on these surfaces. Then I can leave and someone else can come and use it.
Thank you so much, Andrew. Follow us, like, subscribe, all that. But we're going to head over to look at some more cool stuff here at Infocomm 2023.